Hello friends, hope you all will be doing well. My name is Muhammad Mehboob and I am pursuing law from Jamia Millia Islamia, Delhi. Welcoming you all in my new video that is related to important legal terms. That is very important from the point of view of TS law set and AP law set. So let's discuss questions. So the first question is, one second. So the first question is, one second. So the first question is, autonomy means. Its right answer is D. It is D. None of the above. So, so autonomy means right to self government, self government or self rule or self rule. Question number two. One second. One second. Question number two. A bill becomes an act. Its right answer is B. When it is passed by both the House and assented to by the President. Question number three. What is cognizance? Its right answer is A. Arousing judicial notice or knowledge. Question number 4. Damages are awarded except in one case. Its right answer is D. Criminal conduct. Question number 5. Deceit is. Its right answer is both. Both A and B. This means a disease is a tort and a crime also. So it's right. So the question number five's right answer is D. Question number 6. The word due process of law indices. Its right answer is C. In course, through courts. Question number 7. Liability is. Its right answer is A. Subjection to legal obligation. Question number 8. Legal person is one. Its right answer is A. Its right answer is B. A legal person is one who capable of being right and duty bearing unit. Question number 9. What is meant by affidavit? Its right answer is C. Letter of oath. Question number 10. The doctrine of stare decisis is a feature of common law. This means that its right answer is B. Precedents possess law quality in themselves and are binding. Question number 11. A ratio decidendi means. Its right answer is B. A principle upon which a case was decided. Question number 12. The doctrine of res judicata means. Its right answer is C. The final judgment of a competent court may not be disputed by the parties or their heirs in any subsequent legal proceedings. Question number 13. Res judicata. Its right answer is A. Creates a binding precedent as to law. Question number 14. Dash is an inquiry into cause of death. Its right answer is C. Investigation is an inquiry into cause of death. Question number 15. Justice is the dash and law is the. Its right answer is D. Justice is the end and the law is the means. Question number 16. If a person evades the order of the court, he is called. Its right answer is A. Absconder. Question number 17. What is an alibi? Its right answer is A. Excuse. Question number 18. In law, a right is. Its right answer is C. That which is recognized and practiced by the legal system. Question number 19. Legal person is one. Its right answer is B. Capable of being right and duty bearing. Question number 20. Tort means. Its right answer is C. A legal civil wrong. Question number 21. Unliquidated damages means. Its right answer is D. Damage to be assessed by a court as these are not predetermined. Question number 22. Tort is a civil legal wrong. Its right answer is A. It is indistinguishable from contract. Question number 23. Crime is a. Its right answer is A. Public wrong. Question number 24. Breach of contract is a civil wrong. It is redressable by an action for. Its right answer is B. Unliquidated damages. Question number 25. When force is used to cause bodily pain, disease, or infirmity to any person, it is called. Its right answer is C. Grievous assault. Question number 26. Grievous hurt is defined in section. Its right answer is B. 320 of IPC. And in BNS, it is 116. Grievous hurt is defined in section 320 of 320 of IPC and 160 of BNS. Question number 27. Permanent deprivation of the sight of either eye is an offense of. Its right answer is A. Grievous hurt. Question number 28. Destruction or permanent impairing of power of any member or joint is an offense of. Its right answer is B. Grievous hurt. Question number 29. Permanent disfiguration on the head or face is an offense of. Its right answer is B. Grievous hurt. Question number 30. Culpable homicide is defined in the Indian Penal Code section. Its right answer is A. One second. Culpable homicide. One second. Its right answer is B. 300 of IPC. And in BNS it is defined in 100 section. Section in 100 section 100 of BNS. Question number 31. Murder is defined in the Indian Penal Code section. Its right answer is B. Its right answer is B. And in BNS it is 101 of BNS. And of BNS. Question number 32. Rape is provided as an offense under IPC section. Its right answer is A. 375, and in BNS it is 63. Question number 33. Sexual intercourse by a man with his own wife is a rape if she is below the age of. Its right answer is C, 16 years. Question number 34. Sexual intercourse by a man with a woman, even with her consent, is a rape if she is below the age of. Its right answer is A, 16 years. Question number 35. Theft is defined in the IPC section. Its right answer is C. And in BNS it is 303 of BNS. Question number 36. Theft is offense against. Its right answer is A, movable property only. Question number 37. What is a cognizance? Its right answer is A, arousing judicial notice or knowledge. Question number 38. The book Concept of Law was written by. Its right answer is B, H.L.A. Hart. Question number 39. The standard of proof in a criminal trial is. Its right answer is A, beyond reasonable doubt. Question number 40. The territorial waters of India extend up to. Its right answer is B, 12 nautical miles. Question number 41. Lexiphory means. Its right answer is B, the law of the court in which the case is tried. Question number 42. Delegated legislation is a term best matched with. Its right answer is A, administrative law. Question number 43. The Hindu Succession Amendment Act 2005 brought the following changes in the Hindu Succession Act 1956. Its right answer is A, property rights for women. Question number 44. Lok Adalats have been created under. Its right answer is C, Legal Services Authority Act. Question number 45. Lawyers are constituted into an independent profession under. Its right answer is B, Advocate Act 1961. Question number 46. Who wrote the first book on the Constitution of India? Its right answer is B, Durgadas Basu. Question number 47. The length of the territorial sea under the United Nations Law of the Sea Convention is. Its right answer is A, 12 nautical miles. Question number 48. Lex talionis denotes. Its right answer is C, unwritten law. Question number 49. Uberium Uberi me fides means. Its right answer is A, in good faith. Question number 50. Exio personalis moritur cum persona connotes. Its right answer is A, a personal right of, of action dies with the person. Question number 51. Which is the correct meaning of the word embargo? Its right answer is B, prohibition. Question number 52. What is euthanasia? Its right answer is D. A belief and practice in ending a life in order to relieve it of pain and suffering. Question number 53. Entering into a second marriage with the spouse is living is termed as. Its right answer is C. Bigamy. So for this, it is enough. We will discuss more that is related to most important from the point of view of TS Lawset in next video. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much.